guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss one of the most frequently asked questions by an interviewer. Okay, so before going for the discussion, I will request you guys, if till you guys are not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it. Okay, so let's go for the discussion. So first question is, what is the difference between single slash operator and double slash operator? So before solving this problem, so I will discuss what is single slash and what is double slash. What is the another name of single slash operator? It's called as division operator. Division operator. And second one is double slash. Double slash otherwise called as floor division. Okay. So you guys understood what is the name of single slash operator and double slash operator. Okay, so I will discuss now what are the difference between it. Okay, so I will take one example. So x equals to 12. Okay, so I will divide this x by 2. Okay, so I used 2. So first things is I taken the single slash operator. Okay, if I will print it, what is the output will come? It will come in 6.0. Look this output. So I taken x value as integer, but while I used the single slash operator, the output is coming as float value. Okay, so it means single slash operator always gives float value. Okay, so then we'll go for the double slash operator. The double slash operator, the same thing. I will just change the single slash into double slash. Okay, so now I will run it. Okay, sorry. So I will run it now. Okay, so now you can see, so output is coming as integer. Okay, it means double slash operator gives integer value while the x value is integer. When the x value is integer, so floor division, it means double slash operator, it will give the integer value. If in case I will use 12.0 and I will run it, it is giving the float value. So what is the difference here? So single slash operator, if the x value is integer or float, it always gives the float value. But for the double slash operator or floor division, it will decided whether x value, if the x value is integer, it will give the result integer value. If the x value is float, so it will give the float value. Okay, so two difference I covered. There is one more difference is there. If I will use x value as I taken the odd number, okay, so I will divide the x value into one of the even number. Okay, so I use the single slash operator. I will check it now. So it is giving the output as 7.5 and the output is coming as float value 7.5. Okay, the similar way, if I will use double slash operator and I will run it, it is coming as integer. Okay, so whatever the decimal value, it won't be print for the floor division case. Okay, so I think you guys are understood what is the difference between the single slash operator and double slash operator. Okay, so what is the next question? So this question, so many times you will face this type of question. They will give you this, they will ask you what is the output of this, Okay, so you have to decide by yourself what is the output of this. Print 10 and 20. So in this case, so first thing is what is AND? So AND operator, it is an operator when AND operator is used, then how you will decide what is the output. Okay, so first thing is you have to remember this point, while and operator is used. Okay, okay. If x value is 0, then output is x, otherwise output is y. So okay, so I mentioned if x value is 0, so in this case it means, so x equals to, it means the 10 is x and 20 is y. So I mentioned if x value is 0, then output is x, otherwise output is 0. It means in this case you can look it. So here x value means x value is 10, it's not 0, so it means output it will be 20. Okay, so I will just print it. You can see the output is 20, because whenever the x value is 0, that time only the output it will be coming as x. So take one example. If I will mention x value as 0, so now if I will print, so the output it is coming as 0. So similar case, if I will use in place of or operator. Okay, so in place of and I use the or operator, then what is the output you will get? So if I will run it, the answer it is coming as 0. Okay, so whenever x value is 0, 0 and y value is something. Okay, so that time if we will use the or operator, then the output is always coming as the y value. Okay, so in this case if I will use the 10, okay, then what is the output we will get? Okay, if I will use the 10 here, output it will come as 10. Okay, so for the OR case, if the x value is 0, then output is y. Okay, so this is the difference, and this is the explanation for this question. Okay, so next we will go for another question. What is the nested list? Okay, so we know the list. Okay, so list, it means the sequence of elements, it is encoded with square bracket, so that is list. Okay, so I defined one list. Take one list, suppose 10, 20, 30 and 40. Then what is the nested list? Nested list means the list contains another list. Okay, so that is called as the nested list. So if I will create one nested list, it means the list contains another list. It means, so this one is the list. So suppose I will just copy and paste, this is the list, and I will give the square bracket between it. Okay, so it means, so 10, 20, 30, 40, this is one list. Okay, so another list is, you can see, so 20, 30, it is another list. Okay, so this is called as the nested list. So last question, the what is the output of this negation of 5? Okay, so what is the output of this negation of 5? So if the interviewer asks these questions to you, it's the simple formula I will give to you. So what is the output? It will be always minus of n plus 1. Okay, so here here answer will be minus of 5 plus 1. It means equals to minus 6. Okay, so if I will run it, the answer it will be the minus 6. Okay, so thanks guys, hope you have